explosion. As you know, in my previous video I told you 4 words, and in this video I will tell you 4 new words that will help you enhance your vocabulary. So let's get started. Word number 1 is to infuriate, means गुस्सा दिलाना. So the 3 forms of the verb are mentioned here. So the sentence is, he infuriated me when I was having lunch. उसने मुझे गुस्सा दिलाया जब मैं खाना खा रहा था. Word number 2 is to imagine, means कल्पना करना. The 3 forms of the verbs are mentioned here. So the sentence is, I imagined that you were doing yoga. मैं कल्पना कर रहा था कि तुम योगा कर रहे थे. The word number 3 is to perspire, means पसीने आना. So the 3 forms of the verb are mentioned here. So the example is, I perspire whenever I do hard work. मुझे पसीने आते हैं जब भी मैं मुश्किल काम करता हूँ. Word number 4 is to spend lavishly, means to खुला खर्च करना. The 3 forms of the verb are mentioned here. So the sentence is, every Sunday he goes to the mall to spend lavishly. हर संडे वो मॉल जाता है खुला खर्च करने. So that's all for today's video. I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.